Want a free haircut? Go to this link down below for more info. Alright, so what you getting done today?
I was thinking keep the top like a mid-fade.
Mid-fade? You want your C cups? Or do you like it faded out?
I'll get it faded out.
Okay. And you get a shape up in the front?
Yeah.
Do you like enhancements?
No enhancements. Just
Okay. Natural?
Yeah.
Got it. How about the beard? What are we doing with that? Keep it
actually,
shadow?
just like I'm taking this off,
All of it?
but I'm keeping like the goatee.
Got it. Alright. Alright, YouTube. We're gonna be doing a mid-fade today. You can't tell me my client in the chair doesn't look like Matt Barnes. He gets the same cut as him too. Anyways, this was a first time client. This cut's kind of old. This video is from about like 6 months ago. Anyways, we're gonna start our fade. I'm doing this fade a bit differently. I'm dropping it pretty far down in the back. This is just gonna be a mid drop fade. So I'm just debulking, removing everything below that first line. And you guys heard the consultation. Unfortunately, he didn't want enhancements. He definitely needed it in the one corner, but you guys will see. The one side was pretty sharp, but the other side couldn't really get it too crispy, but it is what it is. We posting daily content. Let's get it. So I used my JRLs in this video. And with the JRLs, the way they're set, I have them set standard, so you have to go up pretty high, a little bit above an inch. You want to spread your blend. I believe this is my 3 guard and I'm just debulking. And we're beginning our fade process. Now I switch to my 1. I'm following the same steps that I did with my lever open, and I'm gonna just spread it. So I'm going up far. You don't wanna do a compressed fade. You just gonna make it harder for yourself. Unless you're doing like a low fade, then compress your guidelines, but so we're just gonna close it and jump straight to the 2. Drop back down to the 1.5. But yeah, this video is from a while back. It was sitting in the vault. Never posted it, but got my 0 guard on. We're prepping for that bottom line removal process. As you can see, it's not hard to fade. A lot of barbers make it super complicated. It's really not. So for the bottom line, we're just gonna we're gonna close our lever and just open it up gradually. And you saw the bulk near the curls. We're just gonna clip over comb this. And by doing this, you're also gonna create shape. I kind of let it poke out towards the back just for that dramatic drop effect. And then we're gonna go back with our shavers just to make it real bald at the bottom. So same thing for this side. Notice how I'm like pointing it towards the back. He liked the shape that he had going on, so I didn't want to destroy it. We did adjust it a bit. You guys will see what I do with the front. Haircuts are all about shape. You know, when I was first starting out cutting hair, I was just worrying about getting a crispy line and ash lines. Now I'm more so focused on shape, giving my client a haircut that fits their head shape. Of course, it's about getting it crispy too, but not all clients want to get super crispy, you know? We still gonna get this client crispy though. Best believe that. So for the front, I'm gonna clip over comb it. And as you can see, the top looks messy, even though he didn't want to trim it. We still styled it at the end. I just don't feel comfortable letting my clients walk out with just wild hair. So we're gonna go with the green, and his left side of his lineup, the side that I'm on right now is his right side. That's real thick. The other side's very thin. So we're barely gonna trim that other side. We trim the right side just to try and match it up. And we're gonna blow dry it and start our lineup. As you can see, he had a lot of overhang, but no overhang towards the other side of the lineup. It's very thin in that area, but we still made do with what we had. That's all it's about. Some clients just don't want enhancements. A lot of clients have a negative stigma about enhancements. They've had bad experiences, like their last barbers use like the fibers, and you know fibers fall out quickly. But yeah, so this is the side. It's very thin, but we still made it work. So with thin spots like this, just make a ghost line. Act as if there's hair there. It'll make some sort of line. Yeah, still came out crispy. For the beard, we just gonna shape up his goatee like he said. Nothing crazy. Same thing with the mustache. I like to do, typically I do the bottom first and then the top. It just depends on, you know. But recently I've been razoring everything though. I find that always comes out sharper. So we're gonna style it with some Moroccan curling cream. So I just wet his hair with some water, then we're gonna put the curling cream in there. And then we're gonna use our hands to kind of give the curls identity. Then we're just gonna use the diffuser. And also a part in the client consultation that he said he kind of wanted the curls to hang over in the front, so that's what we kind of left. But you guys saw the before, and this is the after. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.